Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Thank you for joining me today. This is the Christmas card I have to share with you, and we're going to do a little tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make it. It's using the More Wishes stamp set that I love. I love this bold font here, and it's a really simple but really striking Christmas card. Because I've kept it two colours mainly, Shaded Spruce, which is the green, and Real Red. So let me show you how I made this. Now I've got everything set up, as you could hear, in my stamping tool. And we're going to stamp first in Shaded Spruce. Now I've just got a piece here of basic white scrap. Give us a really good ink up. And I'm just going to press down and just make sure everything's there. Give it a good press down. Just going to give it another ink up. Yep, that will do fine. Okay, so let's go on to Real Red, which is going to be the colour for the rest of the letters. I think my Real Red really does need to be re-inked, so I'm going to have to stamp it a few times. But I don't have my re-inkers with me at the moment, so it's going to be a case of it is what it is. I'm actually going to clean up my Shaded Spruce and take those off. And all I do until I'm ready to put stuff away is I just put it on top of the stamp case like that, so it won't go missing, but I haven't put them away just yet. Of course, when I go to put the stamp case away, I can see immediately that I need to put them inside. Okay, so let's go again. Yeah, that will be fine. Okay, set that aside. I'm going to give all of this a clean up, and then I'm going to cut out these off camera just using my trimmer, and I'll be back. Okay, so I've cut them all out nearly, and I just thought we could do this last one here together. So I'm just using my trimmer, and I'm just eyeballing it to try and get things as straight and take off as much as I want. I'm not measuring, I'm just doing it all by eye. And then the last little bit here, and that will do fine, I think. Yeah, it'll do fine. Okay, anything else I can take off with my scissors, which is all I'm going to do here, because I really think it needs a little bit more off. There we go. Okay, so we have all of our pieces here, and now we are just going to put dimensionals on the back of everything, and I'm going to use some of my edges, because edges are good dimension, so don't waste them. Right, just a bit more. You could just stick all of these down flat if you want, but I think giving it a little bit of dimension does make a lot of difference. As you know, I'm generous with my dimensionals, so cover the back in good dimension. I don't want it to get squashed in the post in any way, because I don't trust those posts. If you're in the UK, you will know what I mean. I know in the US you can choose to have things hand sorted or whatever. We don't have that option here. Everything goes in the same tub. So I don't want things to get destroyed. Not when you spend so much time and energy putting together something, you don't want it to get ruined just by something as silly as getting squashed in the mail. Okay, there we go. One sheet of dimensionals finished up. Isn't that good? I always like to know I finished it up. And then we'll just use a few normal ones here. Around this one as well. Just okay, all done. So set all of that aside. Bring in our card base. Our card base is thick basted white. So that's a standard A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And before I had a piece of Shade Spruce Designer Series paper. You can see on that one there. This time I'm going to use real red. I'm just changing it up slightly. Let's stick this down with some seal. Like that. And now we can arrange all of our letters. So let's see. Where's Mary? Here's Mary. I'm going to have this at the top somewhere. Take these backings off. They seem to get everywhere however hard you try. I don't know about you, but they do with me. There's Mary. And then we want Christmas. One good thing about edges is there's less backings to take off. Merry Christmas. Let's see. And New Year wishes. Seems a long. When I'm making this at the beginning of September, though it won't go out till November. Still seems a long way away, I have to say. Not that I'm complaining. I love the Christmas period. I love seeing all the pretty lights and all the different markets and all the crafts and all the decorations, and yeah, I'm there for it all. So, but it does feel still like it's an age away, I have to say. I know the time will fly and it'll be here before we know it, but I think because we just haven't had a proper summer this year in the UK. It's been a very wet, dreary summer, and unfortunately things haven't gone very well for me this summer, as some of you will know, with my mother being in hospital and such like. So it just doesn't feel like we've had any sort of joyful summer yet. Okay, so there we go. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year wishes. Isn't that lovely? I'm going to just use some finishing touches on these red and green peppermints, and these are like little rubber peppermints. Sounds really weird, but they're cute. And I'm just going to, I would love it if they'd made these in different colours, like green as well. Would have been just so cute. But I'll take what we've got and love them as they are. Okay, there we go. There we've got two versions of our card, a more green version and a more red version. You can tell me which you prefer. I hope you liked this card. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want more information about the project, the supply list, the measurements, it's all on the blog post, and you'll find the link and down below, including all my social media links as well. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.